Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to integrate Calendly with Monday.com. So, let's get started. First, go to Zapier and log in. Zapier is a web automation platform that connects various online apps and services, allowing users to automate tasks and streamline workflows without coding. On the left side, click Create and then select Zaps. In the first bar, search for Calendly and select it. On the right side, fill in the details. Complete the trigger event option. Sign in to connect Calendly by entering your Calendly email. Complete the configure option. Finish by completing the test option. Finally, click Add at the bottom to continue. Now, in the second bar, search for Monday.com and select it. Fill in the details. Complete the action event option. Sign in to connect Monday.com by entering your Monday.com API key. Click Yes. Complete the test option. Finally, click Confirm at the bottom, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.